Hey girl, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kayla. Today's video is going to be the epic 25,000 subscriber giveaway. I am so excited if you cannot tell. So as you guys may or may not know, we did hit 25,000 subscribers on this channel. Right now we're currently like 25,120 something right now. But I promised you guys that when I hit 25,000 subscribers, or when I hit 2,000 followers on Instagram, I would do a giveaway. And guess what? I hit both, so I got double the prizes. The reason why I didn't do this right away is because I hit 25,000 subscribers like more towards like the beginning of the month, like almost around there. I was kind of anticipating towards the beginning of the month, but I also knew I had bills. So it's just like, I'm gonna have to wait toward like the second or third week in October to announce this because I needed to gather up things. Before we get into the giveaway prizes, I'm actually gonna show you guys both. So I'm hosting one here on YouTube and one for my Instagram because, you know, 25K, 2K, that's a big deal, okay? I wanna get into the rules for the YouTube giveaway, then show you guys the YouTube prizes, then do the Instagram rules, and then do the Instagram prizes. So you guys can go do that and enter in there as well. So you have 2 chances to win prizes. If you guys just want to skip ahead to the prizes, I'll have the timestamps down below, as well as all of the giveaway information, the rules and all that, how to enter, whatnot. I'm just gonna state right now though, it is US only because international gets a little tricky. Number 1, you must be subscribed to my channel. If you're not, what are you doing, girl? Where have you been, okay? Subscribe to my channel and watch more videos because you're gonna be hooked. Let me just tell you that. Okay. You must be 18 years or older to enter or have parental consent. Comment down below on what you're going to be for Halloween, and also leave down your Instagram handle, your Twitter handle, anywhere that I can contact you besides YouTube. If you do not have an Instagram or Twitter, then just let me know that I can contact you on YouTube, like through YouTube messages. Another thing is you can comment up to 3 times and that'll be 3 entries for this video. Now, if you want to do the Instagram entry as well, I'll show you guys that in a little bit, but let me get to the prizes for the YouTube. I wanted to do more so like my favorites. So for this and the Instagram, there's little things that are gonna be the same. For starters, I have the Morphe Highlight and Contour Sponge, which is my absolute tried and true. I need to buy more of these. I don't know why I don't, but I purchased one for you guys because this one is so good. The next favorite of mine that I wanted to give to the winner is the Essence Lash Princess Waterproof Mascara. This has been my tried and true for the last few months that I've tried it. I absolutely love this, and I've seen a lot of people pick this up also at Ulta. I really wanted to add this in the giveaway for you guys. The next thing I talked about in my last video, however, I'm missing a big chunk of that video, so I'm gonna have to refilm it. But it is my favorite brushes for cut creases, for basic looks, anything like that. And I got the Morphe M433 brush, which is a fluffy crease brush. And I use this to apply my crease color. Oh my gosh, I also pack on the color too, so it's a really great packing on for the crease and buffing it out. This is just perfect for blending, packing in there, everything. I feel like it's an all-around brush, so I really wanted to give that to you guys. The next thing is my favorite crease brush. I have like 3 or 4 of these and I still want to buy more. The next thing I picked up was some lashes from the Kiss Lash Couture line. As you guys know, if you've been following me for a while now, you would know that these are my favorite lash line. Honestly, drugstore lash line, so good, inexpensive. They're like $6 or $7 and they are amazing. I have some on right now. Not 100% sure what the style is because I have a bunch and I take them out of the box and I just throw them wherever I want. But I decided to pick up some lashes in the style Tool just because they look very natural, or not natural, but not so crazy. So if you're not into crazy looks, I didn't want to give you guys something that you're not going to wear or they're going to be too crazy for you. I wanted to give you guys some lashes that are really nice and just, you know, bring a look really like together. The next thing I picked up was the NYX Born to Glow highlighter. This is amazing and literally lasts you forever. I have this exact one in the shade Eternal Glow, and oh my gosh, this is beautiful. The next thing that I picked up for you guys is pretty exciting. It is a Kylie lip kit in the shade One Wish. I wanted to get a shade that was very neutral that anybody could wear because I wanted to give you guys like a bold, like bomb ass lip, but then I was just like, if whoever wins isn't into bold lips, or you know, isn't like there yet, or just isn't into it at all, I didn't want to give you guys something that you're not gonna use. So I decided to get a natural lip, and I literally had a bunch of swatches on my arm. I'm like, which one do I get? I don't know. So I ended up picking One Wish, which is a pretty natural, like gorgeous lip. So yeah. Next thing that I picked up is a Morphe 39S palette, and yes, I have this. I haven't shown this in a video. I wanted to do a video and I just postponed it and I never did it. And I absolutely love that palette, so I wanted to purchase it for you guys for the giveaway. I got this like about a month or so ago, and I was just like, yes, like this is what I'm giving away in the giveaway. And that concludes the YouTube giveaway prize package. So if you guys would like to win this, look at the rules down below, comment down below. Again, you know, go follow it all. Okay, for the Instagram giveaway, you must be following my Instagram, which is It's Kayla. I'll have it down below. I'll have it right here. It is ITSSKAYYLAA. Number 2, tag 3 of your friends in that post. I'll have the picture right here so you know what to look for when you go onto my IG page, so you know where to enter. And share that post, that picture, again, I'll have it right here. Share that on your IG story or your IG page. Just go ahead and repost that picture on your story and tag me in your story. Again, I'll have my IG and everything down below. You also must be 18 years or older or have parent consent. And it's also US only, because again, international stuff tricky again, yes. For extra entries, comment on my last 3 posts on my IG, either your favorite emoji or just go comment something nice on my IG on those last 3 posts, and I'll give you some extra entries for that. For the prizes, you'll also be getting the Morphe M433 brush and the Morphe M421 brush, my tried and true. An Essence Lash Princess Sculpted Volume Mascara, which again, it's almost the same, but this one's waterproof, this one's sculpted volume. A Morphe Highlighting and Contouring Blending Sponge. Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, just like the first one. I actually included 2 highlights in this one, just because it's IG, you know, and I'm figuring out, like, if you want to get started on IG, this would be a great starter kit for you guys to do some cut crease and bomb ass looks. I got the shade Hypnotic Lights from Milani. I picked up the e.l.f. Nabella Noor collab highlighter, and this is, I don't know if there is a shade on here actually, but I had been eyeing this in the store and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get it for you guys. And lastly, we have the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Ibiza? Oh my gosh, can't pronounce this again. That concludes the IG prize package. If you guys want to win either of these, again, check out the rules down below. Comment, follow, and good luck. Oh, I forgot to mention, this will end in 2 weeks. I wanted to do it before Halloween, but given the timing of this, it's not gonna be possible. Either way, none of this is like Halloween specific prizes. These both are going to end on November 8th, so go ahead and enter both of them. You have quite a bit of time, so hopefully by the time you see this video, it's not too late. So definitely go check that out. And again, if you do miss it, it's okay, because I will definitely have more giveaways in the future. So yes, I'm so excited. Thank you guys again so much for 25,000 subscribers and 2,000 followers. Like, when I hit it, I was like, oh my gosh, this is awesome. Because when I hit like other subscriber goals, when I did DIY videos, it was kind of just like a flow, kind of like, I guess, expected, or more so like DIY videos, I didn't have to put in as much work or effort into the video, whereas like filming it did take work, but I mean, like, it just kind of was easy for me. Whereas doing makeup, doing what I love, what I really want to do, it's a little bit harder, like, to do. It's hard work. Like, I have to create looks, I have to edit them, I have to make sure everything, you know, is just perfect. Whereas like filming the DIYs was just easier, pretty much just easier in general. Like, it just came to me like that, you know. But I prefer makeup, you know, so it means a lot more to me hitting 25,000 subscribers. That's not saying that I wasn't happy before with my subscriber goals before. Like, I was ecstatic. Like, I was just like, oh my gosh, like, this is holy crap, you know. But this just feels a lot more like, I feel more successful, if that makes any sense. I hope you guys understand what I'm saying, and I hope you guys come along with me on this journey, and I cannot wait to see what the future holds. So thank you guys so much again, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye guys!